Imagine a car so tough it could shrug off bullets, laugh at explosions, and still pamper you like a five-star hotel on wheels. Presidential cars aren't just rides, they're moving fortresses, blending unmatched power, prestige, and jaw-dropping luxury. Today, we're stepping inside the world of the most jaw-droppingly expensive presidential cars ever built. From King Charles's royal Bentley to Vladimir Putin's armored giant, and many more. Each one is more than a vehicle. It's a bold statement of status, power, and pride. Buckle up, because these aren't limos. They're elite, custom-built guardians for the planet's most influential leaders. Built in 2002 to honor Queen Elizabeth II's Golden Jubilee, the Bentley State Limousine now serves under King Charles, and it's far from just another royal vehicle. With only two in existence, it sits at the very top of the royal fleet's most exclusive treasures. This isn't merely a nod to British elegance, it's a symphony of power and grace. Under its stately hood rumbles a 6.75-liter V8, delivering deep, commanding power while gliding effortlessly to royal engagements. One of its most distinctive touches? Rear hinged doors, designed so the monarch can step out with flawless dignity and composure in front of the public. Beneath that mirror-smooth finish lies uncompromising protection. Armored doors, reinforced panels, and a sealed cabin turn this masterpiece into a moving fortress. King Charles's garage holds other British marvels, including a Range Rover Sentinel and a bespoke Jaguar XJ, showcasing the nation's engineering pride. Yet the Bentley remains the undisputed crown jewel, both in literal regality and symbolic prestige. When it came to projecting sovereignty and strength, Russia didn't glance abroad. It built its statement on wheels. The result? The Aurus Senat, a 7-ton limousine that blends Soviet boldness with modern sophistication, is a homegrown rival to the likes of Rolls-Royce. Stretching an imposing 22.1 feet, longer than a Rolls-Royce Ghost, the Senat commands instant respect with its towering grille, perfectly sculpted body, and stately rear. Released to the public in 2021, it aimed to redefine the pinnacle of luxury and uncompromising security. Step inside, and you're met with handcrafted opulence. Genuine wood panels, hand-stitched leather, privacy curtains, fully reclining rear seats, folding tables, entertainment screens, and even onboard video conferencing. Beneath its armored elegance lies a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, paired with an electric motor, delivering a hefty 660 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. Enough to propel this armored titan to 60 miles per hour in just 12 seconds. But the Senat's true prowess lies in its fortress-like defenses. Bulletproof glass, AK-47 and sniper-resistant armor, a blast-proof chassis, run-flat tires, an armored fuel tank, an air filtration system, retractable privacy glass, and a full 360-degree camera suite. Putin's Aurus Senat isn't just transportation, it's a rolling proclamation of dominance, power, and national pride. When Qatar's Emir Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani glides through Monaco, He doesn't just show up, he commands the spotlight. His weapon of choice? A Bentley Mulsanne Grand Limousine so opulent and elongated it could pass for a royal train on wheels. Measuring an extraordinary 21.6 feet, it's a full meter longer than a standard Mulsanne, with an added 7.9 centimeters of rear headroom for uncompromised comfort. Hand-built by Bentley's elite Mulliner division, its interior is a masterpiece. Club-style seating for 6, electrochromic privacy glass, flawless wood veneers, and leather so fine it could make a 5-star hotel lobby feel modest. Navigating Monaco's tight, twisting streets in such a behemoth might seem impossible, unless, of course, you have a French police escort clearing the way. The result? An entrance that's pure theater, a moving display of power, wealth, and prestige. This isn't just transportation, it's mobile royalty. Cameroon's President Paul Biya favors quiet authority with his armored Range Rover Sentinel, a masterclass in subtle intimidation. At first glance, its autobiography styling whispers luxury, but beneath the refined exterior lies a fortress on wheels. Built on the extended classic platform, it rolls on 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in puncture-resistant tires, while a 3.0-liter V6 pushes out 340 horsepower, prioritizing unwavering reliability over sheer speed. Hidden within are tamper-proof exhausts, an armored fuel tank, and a 6-layer high-strength steel cabin capable of withstanding gunfire, IEDs, and small-scale blasts. Its understated presence masks the fact that it weighs nearly twice as much as a standard SUV. A backup battery system ensures it can keep moving even if critical systems fail. The world caught a glimpse of its presence during Cameroon's National Day in 2018, quietly commanding, immaculately secure, and undeniably presidential. The Sentinel proves power doesn't always need to shout. France's President Emmanuel Macron perfectly blends security with sustainability in his bespoke DS7 Crossback Elysée, a refined plug-in hybrid SUV that's as presidential as it is forward-thinking. Stretched to an impressive 188.5-inch wheelbase, cloaked in deep ink blue paint, and riding on 20-inch alloys, it proudly bears the RF République Française emblems, projecting authority while embracing modernity. On top, a sleek shark fin antenna ensures encrypted, secure communications on the move. Inside, the cabin is pure luxury and cutting-edge tech. Supple black leather seats, electrically adjustable rear seating, and a full-length rear console complete with wireless charging. It's diplomacy on wheels, wrapped in elegance. Under the hood, a hybrid powertrain combines a gasoline engine with 2 electric motors and a 13.2 kilowatt-hour battery, producing 296 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque. This allows 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.9 seconds and up to 36 miles of all-electric driving. For Macron, the DS7 isn't merely transport. It's a rolling symbol of France's identity, sophisticated, secure, and committed to a greener future in a rapidly changing world. All eyes were locked on Kim Jong-un's ultra-opulent Mercedes Maybach S600 Pullman guard when he rolled into Vladivostok in 2019. Nearly 21 feet of German-engineered dominance, it radiated authority, while its pristine white leather interior whispered unrestrained luxury. Despite strict international bans on luxury imports, this masterpiece still found its way to Pyongyang, turning heads and raising questions. Beneath the polished elegance lies a 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged V12 delivering 517 horsepower, paired with an advanced suspension system that glides effortlessly even across rough terrain. The real jaw-dropper? It's VR9 level protection. We're talking reinforced steel armor, polycarbonate bullet-resistant glass, and underbody shielding capable of withstanding high-caliber gunfire and powerful explosive blasts. For Kim, the S-600 Pullman Guard isn't merely transportation, it's a bold statement of power, security, and defiance, crafted to shield its passenger while making an entrance no one can ignore. They don't call it the Beast for nothing. President Joe Biden's Cadillac is less a car and more a fortress on wheels, built on a GMC top-kick truck chassis and tipping the scales at a staggering 15,000 to 20,000 pounds. At over $600,000 per unit, it's not just the most iconic presidential ride, it's among the priciest ever made. Encased in 5-inch thick bulletproof glass, with a sealed chemical attack-resistant cabin and Kevlar-reinforced tires that keep going even when riddled with bullets, the Beast is built for survival. Its foam-coated fuel tank resists explosions, while onboard weapons include tear gas grenade launchers, shotguns, and night vision systems. Step inside, and it transforms into a rolling command center. Luxury leather seats meet advanced communications and a fully stocked medical suite, complete with blood matching the president's type. Whether pulling up to the Daytona 500 or a world summit, the Beast never just arrives, it dominates the scene. When it comes to blending opulence with uncompromising security, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi travels in nothing less than the Mercedes Maybach S650 Guard, a mobile fortress boasting VR10 level armor, the highest civilian protection available in a production car. This elite machine shrugs off direct gunfire and can withstand the force of a 15-kilogram TNT blast from just 2 meters away. Beneath its polished exterior lies a 6.0-liter V12 powerhouse delivering 650 horsepower, ensuring a swift and steady escape when needed. A self-sealing fuel tank eliminates combustion risks after an attack, while an emergency fresh air system safeguards occupants during gas threats. Valued at an estimated $1.6 million, though likely acquired for less through government channels, the S650 stands among Asia's most secure and costly state vehicles. More than just a luxurious ride, it's a custom-built safe house on wheels, designed for a leader whose safety is a matter of national priority. Chinese President Xi Jinping's official ride, the Hongqi N501, crafted by China's oldest and most prestigious luxury automaker, is as much a statement of patriotism as it is a marvel of engineering. Stretching nearly 18 feet, it fuses Rolls-Royce-level refinement with military-grade resilience. Powered by a turbocharged V8 generating 402 horsepower, the N501 boasts a remarkable 500-mile range, enabling cross-country journeys without a single refuel. While its full protective specs remain classified, it's widely believed to feature government-only access panels, reinforced windows, and armored doors, features completely off-limits to civilians. By choosing a homegrown brand over imports, Xi delivers a clear political message. China trusts China. These presidential cars aren't just rides, they're steel-clad statements of power, prestige, and purpose. Each one tells a story, from armor that laughs at danger to interiors fit for royalty, all while embodying the vision and values of the leader inside. So, which of these rolling fortresses stole your heart or your breath away? Share your pick in the comments, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most jaw-dropping jets, yachts, and mansions. The world's elite travel in style, and we're here to take you along for the ride.